Did a software update break the mp4muxer library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get localized MP4 container orchestration running again. Before we begin our mp4muxer library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the mp4muxer library. This library is responsible for the multiplexing or combining of audio and video streams into a single MP4 file. It is utilized by video editing software and screen recorders. If missing, the application will fail during the final, save, or render step of a video project, often reporting failed to mux media stream. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because mp4muxer library DLL is tied to the localized MP4 container orchestration runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including mp4muxer library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like mp4muxer library DLL. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to mp4muxer library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for mp4muxer library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.